Welcome to the Cantor Consulting website. My name is Nancy Cantor, and I'm the principal consultant here and have been for the last 3 decades. I think it's very exciting that you're here today because we offer an array of services to help you be more successful. Whether you're a business owner and you would like coaching in terms of creating a strategic plan and managing your team, or you're part of a corporation and you have a team, and it's very important how you communicate and how you work together in order to fulfill the missions of the company. I also provide a organization for women who want to be empowered. They don't want to do it alone. And they could be in various stages of their lives. It could be they're going back to work after raising their children. It could be that they're retiring, or it could be they have a business and they want to bump it up to the next level. We provide a community of support for that and a whole curriculum that enables women entrepreneurs to succeed. I'm also a speaker. I provide many keynotes and also spoken at women's organizations, not exclusively, but very specifically. I've been the keynote speaker at a Toastmaster conference, and I've spoken at Babson and at Harvard and at the Eisenberg Institute at UMass in Amherst. So if you're looking for breakout sessions or keynotes, I am a very good candidate. I work on creating a proactive approach, which has been service marked, and I can bring that into your company, corporation, your business, or to speak at your organization. If you have any questions of what we can design for you, please contact us. I'm Nancy Cantor, and this is the Cantor Consulting website. Thanks for coming today, and we hope to hear from you.